basically risk premium. If equities are above, and you can see that in this area here, equities are trading above risk premium levels. You see that? So if equities are trading above risk premium levels, the market is feeling that the bonds will rise because the risk premium is actually positive. So that kind of tells me that at this point here, the bonds will start rising again. And that's one of the reasons why at this point here, I was coming off my bond trade, kind of sharp like. Kind of sharp. And in hindsight, I wish I'd bought the risk premium. I wish I'd bought the bond for that risk premium story. So, you know, with the bond price rising, you know, the idea is, of course, there that you know, that's exactly what the storyline should be, but from a risk premium point of view, the bond price should be rising during this period. If that doesn't make sense, guys, well, we'll maybe take a chance to cover it in Classroom. It's not going to be relevant for most people, but certainly for the one or two bond traders that we have, just seeing that storyline forming here gives me a fear that this price is going to go higher. Makes life easy for me to walk away from bonds at that stage at 120s, and pops a nice pop to the upside so we don't lose any money. That was the most important takeaway from this. And I'm not going to be really madly keen to start reversing into that until we start seeing this turning back round again here. And if it doesn't turn round again at that stage, then this bond may just keep going higher, and I'm just going to be patient for this at the moment.